Welcome! This tutorial is how to assemble the D4 canister vacuum. Insert the exhaust filter holder back into the chassis and turn it to lock into place. Reattach the motor mount. Make sure the motor wires are realigned and inserted into their respective notches, and then place the motor back into the chassis. Replace the motor cover back onto the base. All of the tabs must sit over their respective lips so that they can click into place. Install the screws for the motor cover. Place the power supply board back onto the chassis and install the screw. Place the light ring onto the power supply board and install the two Torx screws. Reconnect the wiring harness to the printed circuit board. Reattach the motor wires to the PC board as shown. Insert the spring and the power knob back into the top of the ring display. Click the retaining ring together to secure the power button. Install the cord reel by pulling the tab out from the front of the chassis and dropping it back into place. Make sure the top of the cord reel assembly sits on the power supply board correctly, and then reinstall the screw. Pull the cord out a few inches. Feed the cord through the casing and set it back onto the chassis. Make sure the cord is lying in the center of the cord reel. Reattach the suction neck cable to the PC board. Pass the cord through the attachment holder and then reattach the top cover. Slide the button up and hold it in place, and then insert the attachment holder until the bottom two sides click into place. Install the two screws into the attachment holder. Install the two screws inside the bag compartment. Replace the screw back under the bag cover. Reinstall the foam bumper and the air belt as shown. Reattach the air belt clip. Plug the AC cord into an outlet and check that the unit is functioning correctly.